Believe it or not, certain creatures lost their stomachs during the course of evolution. Scientists believe that since this evolution took place 450 million years ago, some species that went through this process would never have stomachs again. In order to restore the gastric juices that are lost due to the absence of a stomach, glands were created. Read the article to know what animal has no stomach and what are animals with multiple stomachs. Moreover, what animals have 9 stomachs? Let us find out. 1. Baird's beaked whale, animal with 13 stomachs. Yes, one animal in the Animalia kingdom literally has 13 stomachs. Baird's beaked whale, also known as the northern giant bottlenose whale, is the only animal with 13 stomachs. Beaked whales have multiple connecting chambers between stomachs. 2. Starfire, animal with 9 stomachs. There are a number of animals with multiple stomachs. Starfire, a tamaranian, has 9 stomachs, according to the Titan series. Some creatures have many stomachs like ruminants or herbivores like cows. Ruminant animals, animals with 4 stomachs. Animals who have 4 stomachs are known as ruminant animals. The food that they consume is digested by pushing it from one compartment to another. In the rumen compartment is where the fermentation process starts. The food is mixed with saliva and the carbs are broken down. From here the food is pushed to reticulum. This compartment is wholly connected to rumen and the food breaks down here completely. The broken down chewed food is then passed on to the abomasum compartment, whose function is still not determined by the scientists. The food then enters the final compartment known as abomasum, where the proteins are further digested using acid secreted in the stomach before the food is finally pushed to the gut. 3. Cows as herbivores consume greens. With its 3 stomachs, cows swallow when done chewing and later cough up their food only to chew it again. In a day, a healthy cow spends 6.5 hours eating and drinking. 4. Cachalot whale. Cachalot whales, also popularly known as sperm whales, are the largest of the toothed whales. They are easily recognized by their enormous square head and narrow lower jaw and has 4 stomachs. 5. Deer. Deers are one of the 43 hoofed ruminant mammals that form the family of Cervidae. It has a 4-chambered stomach, which is rumen, reticulum, abomasum, and abomasum. 6. Elk. Another family member of Cervidae, elks, also known as the wapiti, is one of the largest species within its family. They are able to digest rough materials, such as bark and twigs, because they have a specialized ruminant stomach consisting of 4 unique chambers. 7. Moose. Moose are among the largest animals in the northern hemisphere. Average adult males may weigh as much as 1,500 pounds and has 4 stomachs. The largest moose are found in Alaska. 8. Goat. Goats or domestic goats are kept as livestock. Like almost every ruminant, goats also have a 4-chambered stomach, rumen, reticulum, abomasum, and abomasum. They have 4 stomachs. 9. Sheep. Sheep are raised for their meat, milk, and wool, usually stockier than their relative, the goat. They regurgitate their food and chew the cud, enabling their 4 separate stomach compartments to thoroughly digest the food. 10. Giraffe. Large African hoofed mammals in the genus Giraffa include the giraffe. It is the world's largest ruminant and the tallest living terrestrial animal. They have 4 stomachs. 11. Pronghorn. An artiodactyl mammal native to central and western North America's interior is the pronghorn. It too has 4 stomachs. 12. Sloth. The suborder Folivera is made up of a group of arboreal neotropical xenarthran mammals, including sloths. They are known for their extremely slow movements and their signature hanging style, in which they hung upside down from trees. They have 4 stomachs. 13. Whale. The fully aquatic, diverse, and widely distributed group of marine mammals is known as whales. There are a lot of animals with multiple stomachs, such as with 2 to 3 stomachs, as listed below. 14. Hippopotamus. A large, semi-aquatic mammal that is native to sub-Saharan Africa. The hippopotamus is also known as the hippo, common hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus. It has 3 stomachs. 15. Dolphin. Dolphins are aquatic mammals with 3 stomachs that belong to the suborder Cetacea. Families that include dolphin species include the Delphinidae, Platanistidae, Aeneidae, Pontoporiidae, and the extinct Lipotidae. 16. Ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds with 3 stomachs comprising the genus Struthio in the order Struthioniformes. They are subclass Paleognathai, a diverse group of flightless birds also known as ratites, which also includes emus, rheas, and kiwis. 17. Llama. The llama, Llama glama, is a domesticated South American camelid that has been used extensively by Andean cultures as a meat and pack animal since the pre-Columbian era. Apart from this 3-stomached animal, there are several other animals that travel in packs. 18. Camel. A camel is an even-toed ungulate belonging to the genus Camelus that has noticeable fatty deposits on its back known as humps. Did you know camels have 3 stomachs as well? 19. Alligator. An alligator is a large reptile belonging to the family Alligatoridae and the genus Alligator of the Crocodilia order. They have 2 stomachs. 20. Kangaroo. Any of the 6 large Australian marsupial species, known as kangaroos, are known for hopping and bouncing on their hind legs. They have 2 stomachs as well. Are there animals with no stomachs? Yes, there are a few fishes and 2 mammals that lack stomachs due to the course of evolution. The following animals have no stomachs. 1. Platypus 2. Echidna 3. Lungfish 4. Carpfish 5. Paddlefish 6. Sturgeon 7. Rays 8. Skates 9. Bichurs 10. Some sharks. According to research conducted over the last 200 years, up to 27% of all teleost species might theoretically be stomachless. There are primitive cartilaginous fish like chimeras and some bony fish like lungfish who lost their cartilage body organs. Not only fish but other animals might also exist without stomachs. How many stomachs does a shark have? Now that you know what animal has the most stomachs, let us take a look at those of sharks and whales. Sharks and humans both have rectums, spleens, pancreas, and livers. However, there is a significant distinction between the livers of humans and sharks. Large fish has 1 stomach, and sharks are among the largest fish. Their stomach is a crucial organ that serves many functions. They have a large U-shaped stomach inside them. The function of the shark stomach is distinct from that of the stomachs of other fish and numerous other animals. The stomach of sharks produces an acid that is strong enough to even digest a metal. I hope you found this stomach-turning article about animals with multiple stomachs fun and interesting. You should now know what animals have 9 stomachs, and how many stomachs does a shark have. Share it with your friends and let them know what animal has the most stomachs. Thanks for watching.